When you're out there buying a used ATV, you want to kind of look out for mice damage. And on this four-wheeler, I just picked it up today, and it had some evidence of mice being around. So I'll show you what to look for, what evidence there may be, and how to properly get rid of it so you don't harm anything in the engine. So before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. Let's get rolling on this. So the first place you want to look for evidence of mice being inside the ATV is in the airbox. They love to get inside the airboxes of an ATV because it's like a habit trail in it. There's usually some pipes leading in for the airflow to provide airflow to the engine. So mice are so small, they find these little openings, they go right through, like it's a habit trail. They end up in the airbox, and you'll usually find like all kinds of stuffing and shavings in there. So more often than not, the airbox is usually located underneath the seat. If you're going to look out, an ATV, get familiar with that model and find out where the airbox may be on that particular ATV that you're looking at. Okay, so this is a 2015 King Quad, and the airbox on this is up under here. It's not under the seat, but it's in front of the seat. So to get at it, I've got to take the seat out, remove a couple of push pins, and I should be able to get at the airbox inside it. In here earlier today when I first purchased the ATV, and it was jam-packed full of mice stuff. Like there's paper all over the place in here. This way. So here is all the lovely mice stuff, and that is evidence of a mouse being in there. So what you want to do is you don't want anything to fall down inside of the butterfly throttle opening right there. So I'm going to get a vacuum, and I'm going to vacuum all of this out to help suck it out. And if anything does happen to fall in there, if you have some compressed air, gently blow some air in there to kind of blow it all out. And let's tackle this one. Alright, so let's fire this up. Get all this stuff out of there. This is ridiculous. So trying to get into all the nooks and crannies. Look at that. That's insane. Some did fall down inside of that hole, so it's pretty light. They like fluffy stuff usually. So I'll just clean out of there. You want to try to get into all the nooks and crannies, look down in there, make sure nothing's floating around still. So I have an air gun and air hose. I'm going to blow the rest of the stuff out of there. Alright, so that was pretty gross. I literally had mouse turds flying everywhere and stuffing all over the place from those guys. Remember, you don't want to have anything drop down inside of like that opening for the throttle body. You want to kind of blow it out of there and use the vacuum if you have to suck anything out of it that might be down inside. Let's tackle some more of the wiring and we'll check it out. So now that the air cleaner is free of mouse debris, look through the wiring, inspect the wiring, and make sure that nothing else is chewed through. This is all computerized stuff. It goes to the computer for the four-wheeler. If this was all chewed through, you might have a major rewiring problem on your hands. This hat all looked pretty good to me. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is to either blow off the air cleaner if it has all mouse debris all over it, or if you have an older air cleaner and you can clean it and wash it, do that. I've got a video on how to clean an ATV air cleaner. I'll throw it in the video as a link. But this one is brand new, so I'm going to blow it out with my air hose. So that's one way you're checking in for evidence of mice doing damage to an ATV that you may be looking at. It's pretty popular to go right for that air box. They seem to always go into that air cleaner location because it's a nice open spot for them to kind of nestle in. And hope this helps some of you guys out, and the method of cleaning it out there as well, so that nothing drops down inside the motor. Remember, if you have any questions, leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.